Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to hide or disable quick access in Windows 11. Firstly, launch File Explorer by clicking on the folder icon in your taskbar or pressing Windows plus E. Click on the More button in the toolbar at the top. Select Options from the drop-down menu. In the Folder Options window, look for the Privacy section and check both options, like Show Recently Used Files in Quick Access and Show Frequently Used Folders in Quick Access. Click on Apply, then click OK to save your changes. If you decide to bring back recently used files and frequently used folders in a Quick Access, simply repeat the steps above and check the two options in the Privacy section. Now, your Quick Access will only show in the folders that you've pinned, making it cleaner and more organized. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.